As college approaches, your girl needs some new set of nails, so come with me!
Guys, I need to figure out what nails I'm gonna do for back to school. So basically, you know your girl has been planning a little too much, but you know, I have to see which two set of nails I was deciding on, which I will tell you little scenes that are gonna come up real quick, but I think I'm gonna go with one that I already know that you guys are gonna like. You guys better like it. If you don't, then I don't know what you guys are talking about, but anyways, you know your girl has been good with the nail design, especially on that short, especially on the first video, But anyways, we have to make sure that these nails are bomb because they're the back to school nails that are gonna go for CSUSB, your girl, the freshman. But anyways, yeah, like, let's get this started. Make sure you guys follow, like, subscribe. Make sure you guys like everything that I do. I know you guys are my fellow followers. But anyways, please support me in a long way. And if you guys would like some some nail designs or anything, just let me know, you know? Okay, see y'all later.
So as your girl was looking through Pinterest to see what idea she could get to, like, you know, do it, I was scrolling down to see what my feed was, to see what ideas I could get some inspiration, and then I found out some cute ideas here. So I really wanted to do this set because it was blue, had yellow, it had brown, it had like these little charms, and it had a lot of stuff to do. And I really wanted to do it because, like, why not? It's like, it's cute. Like, you see the one that says rabbit, and it's like, and then the bow and everything. I really liked everything about it. And then I was like, let me see the other design. So I went, and as you see, your girl was struggling, but I really wanted to do this cat one because, you know, I've seen a lot of people do like the cat charms and everything. So I was like, when is it my turn to shine? So I really like the pink, the brown, the white, the coffee beans. It really contrasted really nice. So I already had all the colors and stuff like that. So I was like, might as well just do this one. Plus, you know that your girl likes a little challenge. And we got the nail design on the go. I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to use for this nail set. So first things first, your girl got to choose the right sizes for each nail. I'm also using the modeling gel so I can make the 3D cats. Da-dur. This is a gelato. This is going to be for the thumb color. And then, of course, I wanted to add some charms because, you know, your girl wanted to add something, like, cute. And then I wanted to do something 3D. Obviously, I know I'm going to do the cats, but, like, the little charms won't hurt. Now I'm going to use my e-file to just buff everything out to have a smooth surface. And I'm going to let you guys hear ASMR. Give the nail some shape. I'm going to use 100/180 nail file. Once they're shaped, I'm going to place them in my nail stand so we're ready to start painting. So now I'm going into that zone. I don't know if you guys seen that guy from TikTok, but anyways, that's going off the field of what I'm going to do. So right now I am actually putting the base coats for each of the nails. I want them to be spread out evenly, and I want to make sure everything is nice and smooth. No like little chips or anything of like dust. I want no dust in these nails. No ma'am. Then right here, I'm putting the second base of the coat so the nail is actually a base color and not just a clear color. For the cues start to happen, as I was doing the nails, my mom was recording the rest of my nail room. Some of the nails, I decided to do some French tips because that's what the inspo was giving for Pinterest. And I believe there was like 4 of them was white French tip, and then there was one brown one for one of the nail sets for one of the index fingers. And you know what? It was low-key kind of coming together. At this point, I could finally see the whole idea coming together, and low-key, I was kind of being obsessed with it. Because right now, I was just doing the French tip, but that didn't mean, like, the idea wasn't coming together. Like, you know, you just have to, like, trust the process, and you'll see everything come together. Then another shot of me in my nail room. Look how cute this is. It's so gorgeous. Like, oh my god, I love the contrast of the pink, the green, and the background of the blue.
Guys, can you believe what I forgot? I forgot what color I had to do the thumb. Now I have to do it all over again. I'm kidding. I just have to do the thumb, but it's okay. We'll get there. You know your girl will get there.
Now at the end of the nails, finally I finished this, bro. It took so long. It took too long because I didn't know how to do like the cat 3D cat. It was actually the first time, and I'm glad it came out good. But in the end, I was so glad that I finished. I was just putting the gel top right now, like the top coat. Yeah, the top. It's the gel top coat, and I'm glad I finished. Look how cute the polka dots, and then the cats. The cats didn't come out exactly like the faces. You know what I mean? But I tried my best, and the color of the cats, I just tried my best. And then I love the coffee bean. It came out so cool. Okay guys, I finally finished the nail set. So this is one of them, and then the other one is right here. Hold on, let me pop it up. This is it. We have both of them right here. It took a long time, I'll tell you that, because your girl had the first time doing the cat nails. But anyways, I low-key liked it, and I low-key kind of finished late. Low-key, my mom is the only one right there behind the scenes recording this part for me. Yeah, you can see her thumb, and my dad's low-key kind of falling asleep. But it's okay guys, it's okay. All that matters is that I did them. But next time I might do a challenge only like an hour or something, because low-key I took my sweet time. But it's okay, it's okay. But I hope you guys like this part. I hope you guys came with my journey. If you guys want a more detailed part on how I did the nails, except like for example you wanted to know how I did the cat nail or the dots on the nail or whatever, you could just comment down below and I'll definitely do a YouTube short on that. Just, you know, your girl got you. And I'm excited to put these back to school nails for CSUSB, especially for church tomorrow, because you know your girl gotta get ready for church tomorrow and it's pretty late. My girl gotta volunteer, but it's okay, it's okay. You know what, but your girl's gonna be ready for that. So thank you guys for everything, and I hope you guys have a lovely time. Bye.